Breaking news, guys! I'm launching a Rich Money scheme until the end of 2024, and you can take part in it. What is it? So from the beginning of the new week, we are recruiting a team of traders and starting trading with a small amount and finishing with a big one. And here are the results of our traders over the past week. If you want the same, join us.
Go to my Telegram channel by the link below the video. To do this, open it in the app. Join the group and be sure to turn on notifications so you don't miss any useful information every day. Join my VIP group, just go to the dialogue with me and write plus VIP.
Today we will trade on a pocket option with the amount of $100. Exactly $100. We will have a deal time of 1 minute. So it's equal to 1 minute. In this case, we have time frame on our chart is also 1 minute. All the candles in general is exactly 1 minute. Can't surpass 6 of them. But then we'll for one circle and go some seconds, I think. Yeah. They will show you my strategy, one of my strategies, with 2 indicators, moving average, and you see the second oscillator. So I'll tell you quickly average indicator, its parameters. You see it, you can copy it, use it. So it's a fairly simple trend indicator. You can use it to determine the current trend and find signs of it possible changing. If the price of an asset is higher, our moving average, like here for example, is moving average and higher moving average respectively, the trend is upward. And accordingly, there is no connection in the other direction. So what does it mean? So it's into similarly moving down. The chart below is moving up. The chart is above because there are marks when the moving average is pressed below the chart will. So you see the settings. Quite simple indicator as moving average, trend indicator, bars like candles you see. Once you draw down, it's red, and when this ascending trend, so bars are red, green. 0 mark to determine the general area. So it helps us to find reversal points. Don't forget also to subscribe to my YouTube and Telegram channel. So you can write me in the comments, do you know about pocket option or no? Not so. What are you trading on? You also can write to me in the comments. So let's start our trading session, and we move on to our first concept pair where I show you my strategy with indicators, with 2 indicators and our technical analysis. And here we are, open down deal and start our technical analysis. So what we see here, we are at the support area. By pocket option we see this line, automatic line, showing us our lines. It's very convenient. We see that we go into support area, we reached it, we see this intersection, yeah, and then the rollback with green candle and then draw down. The previous candle was red with a shadow in the upper position. It's increased our chances to draw down. Moving average is going down, lower this indicator lower this line. Two green bars we see also here, descending trend, and then they're gonna be red bars. So we see plus DL good, $189. We move on to next concept. Here we are, up TL, and start our technical analysis. At the moment we trying to undergo some kind of restoration of recovery of our chart, sudden expansion, general trend towards the outgoing. Yeah, green candle was quite pleasant. Reversal we see. We have now see here points reversal. On the chart we see reversal in one direction or another on the chart now. So maybe it's even in the middle. A reversal can happen somewhere here. By 2 hour indicators we see downtrend signals to down. 4 seconds left until the end. I'll zoom it. Yeah, plus DL we see. Good. Let's move on to the next concept and increase our DL amount to $281. But I recommend you trade from 5 to 12%, 20% of your balance. It's safe and it's especially useful for beginners. Yeah, and if it's more, it's risky, quite risky. So here we are in the next concept. Let's open down TL and start our technical analysis. Here what we see, we highlight resistance level, our first signal to down TL. We opened correctly, I think. Descending trend we see on our chart. Reversal will be weak, I think. Yeah, we see also shadows. Moving average, ascending trend we see, but oscillator says as drawdown. Yeah, red bar we see, descending trend I see. 10 seconds left until the end of the deal at the moment. 2 seconds. Yeah, deal is closed with a plus. Good, the profit is quite large. We have reached $50, $500. Let's reduce the entire deal to $100 with convenient amount. And here we are, the next concept. Let's open down here. Here on the chart we see clear drawdown. Yeah, it's the first thing that catches our eye at the moment. Also the previous one was red candle, very limited upper position. Yeah, multiplying the chances of a quick drawdown. Moving average in lower position, and we are below this moving average. It's no less important. Next we look at our oscillator. Yeah, we see this indicator. By this oscillator, red bar is the last one, as well as the general position of the bars, but also at the last period. Yeah, clearly experiencing a drawdown. I'll zoom it. Drawdown is stable. Yeah, successfully closing. Let's stop for a moment on this concept and let's sum up some small results for the concept. Yeah, for today, and I think we planned or about 9, maybe 10 currency pairs. It was $100 at the balance at the beginning, and now we multiply this by 6 times, so it's good. You can find the trading and signals in my Telegram channel. So you see this table, it's trading plan, I say like this. It's work, and I'll tell you more about this plan. The first deposit is $50. The first thing we do is start placing deals. With $5 is 10% of our total deposit amount. So the number of profitable deals every day is approximately 7, plus or minus such. Each deal brings you a net of $2.5. This is at least 50% of each deal. So it's quite good, it's convenient. It's fixed method. The sum of each deal should be no more than $5. So income maybe $200 you can get. And you can find this table, this plan in my Telegram channel. Find the link in the description, follow it, and write to me plus VIP, and there you can find this plan. So you can also ask me any questions, I'll be glad to answer them. It's not for 7 days, it's also the month and bigger. So let's move on to our trading session. Here we are on the next concept. Let's open up and start our technical analysis. We start with this. It's very important to start with technical analysis. We see support area, some swing and consolidation, I think, and then we will go up. So unfortunately the indicators didn't show us anything, and we correspond to our technical analysis, as I said. So it was growth, and I think that we opened correctly. Let's see for the chart. We had the points of moving. 3 seconds left. Growing. Yep. Our deal is going into plus. Here we are on the next concept, up and down. You see our chart is going down. By volume we see it. We will reach the support area, and from that we will see some results. Reversal. Let's just see for the end of our deal. By previous candles we see shadows in the upper position. Moving average says us about lower position. Red bars on the second oscillator. Yeah, we exactly to 0. The mark exactly to 0. Yeah, crossed. Yeah, plus still good. And we move on to the first concept, second circle. Let's up and down here and start our technical analysis. Trend is stable and confident. Support area we highlighted, and resistance. We'll see here we reached the support area for the second time. some pullback. The trend is unstable, and the drawdown is continuing. By moving average, we see line is in the lower position. Accelerator says us about green bars, but we work with our technical analysis. Yeah, drawdown is strong, quite strong. 2 seconds left until the end of the deal, and yeah, our deal is going into plus. Balance is almost $1,000. It's a good result at the moment, but we continue. Hello traders, my name is Lini and you're on my YouTube channel where I show you how to trade in minor options. Here you'll find the most profitable and easiest trading strategies. We move on to the next concept. Here we are, up deal, and start our technical analysis. Risky deal, we see resistance area, but general trend is going, and we opens up. We see by moving average. By this indicator, we see that lines are going up, so stable chart. Some pullback, green bars, we going up to the support area, resistance area, sorry. Some drawdown, let's wait for the end of our deal for seconds left. Yep, plus deal profit is $92 an hour. Last concept for today. So here we are on the next concept. Let's open up and start our technical analysis. 7 seconds left until the end of the deal. It's a big shadow we see. Growth. Ascending trend. We see it by oscillator, green bars, but the last is red. It's okay. The general trend is ascending on our chart. Moving average in some period of uncertainty. So with 2 indicators helps us and our technical analysis also, it's very important. 3 seconds left. Great, excellent, plus deal. So let's finish our trading session for today and we summarize. Let's sum up it. We start with $100 and now it's more than $1,000. It's good results, it's very important. We multiply our balance and if you have any questions you can write me in the comments. I'll be glad to answer them. Thanks for watching, see you in the next video.